Okay, you want to? Clean, sobrang lamig ng room. Yan, sarap pahinga. Right. Okay. Thank you so much. Okay na kami dito. CR. May hot shower naman.
Yes po, ma'am. Kompleto po siya.
Okay.
May shampoo at saka, may body wash.
Okay, meron na. Alright, thank you so much. Okay?
Ma'am, okay lang po ba na magpapa-scan ako sa inyo kung ano po yung masasabi niyo sa akin?
Sure. Yeah.
Sama-sama tayo, lakad tayo.
Picture.
Si Mami.
Ay, picture na. Vacation. Siyempre, habang vacation, nanonood ng work. Ng work nila. Ang bait. Mukha namang okay lang sila lahat.
I wish you a good morning. Forget all stress and strife. Today is the first day of the rest of your life. Every day is a blessing. Good things are